Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a dash cam showdown. In the left corner we have the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam, and in the right corner we have the SUVCON dash cam. Let's get ready to rumble. Alright, let's talk about the most important feature of a dash cam, the camera quality. The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam comes with a dual-lens 1080p camera that captures both the road front and inside the passenger cabin. It's like having eyes everywhere. On the other hand, the SUVCON dashcam has a triple camera setup with a wide-angle front camera, a cabin camera, and a waterproof rear camera. It's like having a dashcam on steroids. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities. The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam features infrared night vision with 4 LED lights, ensuring clear footage even in the darkest of situations. No ghostly shadows here. Meanwhile, the SUVCON dashcam boasts clearer night vision with its interior-facing camera design and superior HDR technology. It's like having your own personal paparazzi, but for your car. Let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam has a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode, so it will automatically start recording when it detects any motion around your vehicle. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car. On the other hand, the SUVCON dashcam also has a built-in G sensor that activates emergency recording and locks the footage when it detects shakes or collisions while your car is parked. It's like having a car detective that never sleeps. According to Amazon reviews, the Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam is highly recommended for its high-definition, quality, night vision, and easy setup. Reviewers appreciate the peace of mind it provides and have captured unique and funny moments on it. On the other hand, the SUVCON dashcam is praised for its high-resolution lens, wide-angle view, user-friendly interface, loop recording, ample storage, and durability. It is recommended for its exceptional performance and features, making it a must-have for safer driving. Well, folks, it's time to wrap up this dashcam showdown. Both the Vantrue N2 Pro and SUVCON dashcams have their unique features and quirks. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, always do your research and buy smart. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a comparison. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.